this video we will be discussing 10 small kitchen ideas to turn your compact room into a smart, super organized space. Our small kitchen ideas are perfect for those not blessed with a large and sociable kitchen diner. Sure, you might not have space for a kitchen island, range cooker and dining table to cram guests around. But diminutive doesn't have to mean drab. There's a wealth of clever ways to make your kitchen scheme feel spacious. Storage is one of the most important elements in a small kitchen. By maximizing every spare inch, reorganizing areas that don't work as hard as they should, and adding extra solutions where necessary, you can turn a tiny room into a tortoise. Start by thinking about how you use your kitchen, and where everything needs to be, as this will help you decide what sort of storage you require. For example, it's best to store items by how often they're used, so make sure that everyday dishes are on an easy-to-reach lower shelf. Number 1. Opting for a crisp color scheme. Make a small kitchen feel light and airy by opting for a neutral color scheme. However, neutral doesn't just mean beige or cream. Pair white patterned tiles and marble worktops with duck egg blue kitchen cabinets for a crisp color scheme that will bounce light around, making the kitchen feel spacious. Number 2. Invest in flexible storage. In a small kitchen you need to think creatively when it comes to storage. Instead of investing in ordinary shelves, this wire panel shelving from String maximizes storage by adapting to your kitchen's needs. Add inner takeaway shelves, hang glasses upside down, and even introduce a wine rack. When space is at a premium, you need to make sure every inch. Number 3. Distract the eye with bold flooring. In a small kitchen, go all out with bold tiling. A strong pattern on the floor distracts the eye and makes the room feel bigger. Every inch of this kitchen has been designed to make the most of the small space, from the slimline appliances to the hanging pot plant. Hanging the copper planter is a great way to add some life and decoration in the kitchen, without cluttering work surface. Number 4. Hide appliances in a breakfast cupboard. Keep surfaces from looking cluttered by tucking the toaster, kettle and coffee machine away in a breakfast cupboard. As soon as you open the cupboard, your favorite gadget is sat ready to use. This is a nifty trick for making use of awkward corners, and that none of your kitchen tech gets lost at the back of a cabinet. Number 5. Swap an extractor hood for a combined extractor induction hob. This combined induction extractor hob is a great space saver in a small kitchen. It means you can swap a bulky extractor hood above the hob in favor of extra storage. If you don't require an extra cupboard or set of shelves, consider leaving the area above the hob empty to give the illusion of a more space. Number 6. Swap a table for a kitchen island. Adding a kitchen island might sound like a terrible idea in a small kitchen. However, in a long, thin kitchen, it is the perfect way to add in extra storage and surface space, whilst keeping the kitchen a sociable space. Choose an island like the one above with plenty of storage space underneath for stowing away vegetables and linens. A slight overhang from the countertop ensures that the 4-bar stools. Number 7. Paint kitchen cupboards to match the walls. Create the illusion of more space in a small kitchen by painting the cupboards in the same color as the walls. This works really with a white or gray color scheme, creating a light and airy space where the units blend into the kitchen walls. In this kitchen, every spare inch of space is crammed with storage, but a uniform wash of white paint keeps the space looking neat and spacious. Number 8. Turn an awkward corner into clever storage. A small kitchen requires you making use of every inch of storage space you have. If you have a small boxy kitchen, rather than cramming all your pots and pans into a deep cupboard that is going to become a nightmare when you need to find a particular frying pan, consider swapping a cupboard for a drawer. This clever pull-out drawer maximizes space and makes finding your favorite. Number 9. Consider compact containers. Put a windowsill, shelf or recess to work by adding a selection of strong baskets, and use to stow bottles, packets or even fresh herbs in pots. Baskets are also a great way to store condiments, meaning you can take them all to the dining table. Number 10. Find a new home for the washing machine. You may think the kitchen is the obvious place to put a washing machine, but in continental Europe, you're more likely to find it in a bathroom. So if you're stuck for space, it might be worth relocating your laundry appliances elsewhere. If your bathroom is just as teeny, you might be able to squeeze it in a cupboard under the stairs. Alternatively, if you have a separate washer and dryer, you consider keeping them in the kitchen, but stacking them one on top of the other in an old larder cupboard. It hides them out of sight. Keep in mind these tips and enjoy the rest of the photos and get inspired.